In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show all products on homepage on Shopify. To get started, open your Shopify store and sign into your admin. It's best to do this on a desktop so you can see the full navigation clearly. Once you're in, look at the left-hand menu and click on Products. This is where all your items live, and it's also where you'll create the piece that makes your homepage display everything. Inside Products, click on Collections. Collections are simply groups of products, and creating one that includes all your items is the easiest way to power a homepage section that shows everything at once. Now click Add Collection. You'll land on a setup page with a few fields and options. Start with the basics. Give your collection a clear title. I recommend something like All Products so it's easy to find later. In the description box, you can add a short note for your own reference, such as, "This collection automatically includes every product for the homepage." The description is optional, but it can help you and your team stay organized. Next, choose how products get added to this collection. For showing everything, Automated is the most reliable option because it updates itself. Set a simple rule that includes all items. A common choice is product price is greater than 0, which effectively captures every purchasable product. You can also use conditions like inventory stock is greater than or equal to 0 if that makes more sense for your catalog. The key idea is to pick a condition that every product will meet, so the collection truly includes them all, including any new products you add later. While you're here, you can fine-tune a few optional details. Add a collection image if you want a visual thumbnail in your admin. Adjust the sort order to best-selling or newest if you prefer a specific display logic. Check the search engine listing preview to make sure the title and description look good for SEO. Also confirm the collection is available in the online store sales channel and that its status is set to active. When everything looks right, click Save. Shopify will process the rules and populate your all products collection automatically. From here, this collection becomes the data source you can use to feature all products on your homepage. The big advantage of the automated approach is that any new item you add to your store will appear in this collection without extra work. That's it. You opened your store, navigated to products, went into collections, created a new one, filled out the title, description, and key settings, and saved it, putting you in perfect shape to showcase everything on your homepage.